Today on Preppy Kitchen with Lachlan and George, we are making Easter Bunny cupcakes.
My gosh, I've been replaced. So let's get started. These are gonna be delicious vanilla cupcakes. So start putting flour in the bowl. You can each take turns. Yeah, of course you may. Okay, pop that in there. So this is 1 2/3 cups of flour, just about. Now, I also need a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. George, can you add that in? In you go. Lucky, I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I need you to add in 1/2 teaspoon. Good job. So 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Papa,
These are gonna be...
What are those cupcakes for?
Maybe they're Easter Bunny cupcakes. Maybe they're things we made already. We don't want flour on our hands yet. Who wants to help me whisk?
I do.
All right. These cupcakes are really fun, and one thing I love about them is they are stir together, so there's no mixer needed, just a little bit of handiwork, so I don't have to worry about any fingers getting into places they shouldn't be. Right?
I moved this ball.
You did. How do you get flour on your face?
Tortilla
All over. Okay.
Tortilla R.
Now we have some egg whites in here. This recipe uses egg whites instead of the whole egg, so this is about the color. Plop. Very technical term here. Plop. Good job. So we have 3 egg whites and 1/2 cup of sour cream.
What's in here? Stop.
These are called cupcake papers. And do you want to help me pour this in?
Yes,
But only hold,
yes, yes.
Lachlan's gonna take a turn, but hold the top because the bottom got a little hot. You can help me with the next ingredient. Do you know what else goes in cupcakes?
What?
Well,
Sugar.
that's true. Oh my gosh, I forgot the sugar. Wait, Lucky, we weren't supposed to mix that up yet.
I'm just mixing it.
I know, you were just helping.
I was.
I'm gonna put that aside. Wait. You hold this. This is the sugar. 1 cup, 200 grams of granulated sugar. Doing a good job. Okay, pour that in. Ooh, good job. I need 1/2 cup of whole milk. Let's measure that out. Good job. Can you pour that in there? And George, smell that. What is that?
Honey.
No, what is this?
Vanilla.
Okay, pour that in. Yes, you may whisk it up. So whisk carefully, mix, mix, mix. These are really easy vanilla cupcakes, and the nice thing is that the recipe's basically done. Oh, okay, so look, this is mixing. Oh my gosh. All right, look, does that look nice and smooth?
May I see it?
You can smell it.
Yes.
Yeah, smell. You wanna smell?
I already did.
Okay, that looks great. All 3 of us together are gonna pour the wet into the dry. Get all of that out. Okay, George, carefully, we're gonna stir this together now. So use the spatula and stir just so you don't see any flour left. Woo. This is all mixed up, and now, can you put the papers in the cups? Yes, this is good. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, I'm gonna have a turn first and show you what to do. 1 scoop in.
I know what you're gonna do.
I know you've done it
We
before.
have to put it in here.
That's true. So I'm gonna put that in there carefully. Pour it in really careful. See if you can use 2 hands. Good job. Ooh, very nice. Ooh, you're doing a good job. Oh, he's using the trigger too. All right, I'm gonna fill some up. I'll let you guys do a couple.
Sneaky hands.
You do have sneaky hands. How did you get cupcake batter on your hands? What happened?
You took some of them.
I put milk in here, right? Yes. I don't know what happened, but we ended up with 10 cupcakes. Where do these have to go?
In the oven.
Into the oven. We're gonna bake these up for how long?
10 minutes.
18 minutes. Say 18 minutes.
18 minutes.
Okay.
18. Can we wait here?
You can wait here.
We'll be back in a minute. What is the marshmallows? Tell us. Yeah, tell us.
These are gonna be our bunny ears. So our bunnies are gonna have marshmallow ears. And do you know what the fur is gonna be made out of?
What?
It's in front of you. Lachlan, can you read the bag?
Coconut.
That's right. It's coconut fur.
Coconut.
See, coconut. Good job reading.
Isn't
And then I think we need the pink sanding sugar. Okay.
I got this out of here.
Okay, take it over to the counter. What does this smell like?
Play-Doh.
Oh, they're my children. Okay, we're gonna use a little bit of fondant though. So I'm gonna give you some and you can roll it into a ball. You can roll it into a ball.
This is already into a ball.
No, like a nice ball, like this. Look, on my hands. Roll it into a ball like that.
Can we not eat this kind of one?
It's not for eating yet. So we're making some fondant noses while our cupcakes bake. This way everything can be ready.
This.
Good. That's a nice one. Now, this is a fun.
Marshmallow.
This is a fun. Gosh, he hasn't had any cupcakes yet. What's going on? Here, you can pour a little bit of sanding sugar on, just a little bit. There we go. That was a lot of sanding sugar. Let me put some back here. Now, you're gonna take our little noses to be, and
Bunny Easter.
let's see. We're gonna roll this in the sanding
Bunny
sugar.
Easter.
Oh, look at that, it sticks right away. So if it doesn't stick, actually this isn't sticking as nicely as I might like, you can just take a little bit of water and wet them, just a little bit. And then you
I
can,
made a ball here.
that's a good little ball.
So I got a little bit of water.
And then we have a pink sugared nose. You guys are doing a great job. Okay, these are gonna be cute homemade bunnies. Right, George?
Yes, bunnies.
You're getting like a contact high from the proximity to desserts. Okay. Hey, Lucky, why is there pink sugar on your face? What happened?
Because I ate some of it.
At least you're honest.
I'm hungry because I'm hungry.
Okay, for the ears, you take a marshmallow, cut them diagonally, and if you have even littler ones, you can just prep things out and have things ready to assemble. But the boys love helping in the kitchen. Do you love helping in the kitchen?
I love eating stuff.
Lachlan, do you want to turn dipping? Hold it by the drier side and dip it face down one time in the sugar. One more, no, do it one more time, but press.
What?
Good job.
Mush.
Ooh, that's nice. Does this look like a little bunny ear, kind of?
Mush.
Yeah.
Mush.
Do you want to dip it? Dip. Now pop, 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 dip. All right, now, here we go. That's a nice little ear. Our cupcakes are just about out of the oven.
Are we gonna eat them just now?
Should I make some frosting and then we can decorate them?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Should it be
Are these
vanilla frosting?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay.
We'll be back in a minute.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah.
Almost cupcakes for us, Papa.
They are. Right now, they're kind of boring. Do you know why? There's no frosting. There's no decoration on them.
Is this cheese?
No, it's coconuts.
It's not.
Yeah.
I had the taste of it. Is this a soap dispenser?
It's not a soap dispenser. This is a turntable. See, it spins. Want to spin it? Okay. I'm gonna put the cupcake on and do the first one so you can watch, okay? This is vanilla frosting. I'm gonna squeeze some on. And the nice thing about these cupcakes is that you don't have to worry about the way they look because step 2, do you know what step 2 is?
What?
You know?
We got to eat them.
No. Step 2 is I take them with a coconut and I plop them face down and I pat them around like this. And now
Coconuts.
they look kind of like they're covered in
cheese.
fluffy bunny fur. No, it's coconut, George.
Coconuts.
We're not making cheese cupcakes. That gets set aside. All right, George. So I'm gonna put this down so it's more reachable for you. So squeeze this on. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze as hard as you can. Squeeze. Here, I'll help you squeeze. Squeeze. Good.
That's a double frost cup. This is so
And if they get a little crazy, you can just use a palette knife. Okay, someone's eating some coconut. I see that. I see you. Okay.
Come on, can I squeeze them?
Yeah, but it's George's turn first. So George, okay, gently. Don't squeeze this because it's very delicate. Just put it in like this and roll it around a little bit, just like it's a little baby puppy. Ooh, how does that look?
Good.
Good. Lachlan, it's your turn. So here, you're gonna squeeze it out. I'm gonna help you. So take 2 hands and gently squeeze because you're strong. Good. Good stuff. That looks great. I'm just gonna add a little bit more to the side over here.
It's
Smooth it out a little bit so it's more of a dome.
I just love coconuts.
I know. I love coconut too. Okay, yeah, gently like that, just to pick some fur up. Perfect. A little bit more.
Hi, everybody.
You wanna watch Papa? Look,
Yum, yum.
watch Papa while you eat some coconut. I can't be mad because literally when I was their age, this is all I did. So normally when I make this, I use little mini chocolate chips. I think someone ate them all. So.
Lachlan ate all the cupcakes.
No, he didn't eat all the cupcakes. So we're using candy eyes today.
Here.
But I thought maybe they'll look a little creepy. So in that case, we can use regular chocolate chips. Let's find out. All right, so I'm using a little tool to push aside some of the coconut. I'm gonna put one eye in here, one eye in here like this. And then we need a little nose, like that. And then we need our 2 ears.
Papa, when we're done with this, we can eat it.
After we make some. How does that look?
Good.
Okay, let's angle the eyes a bit so they're facing people. How does that look? Does that look cute?
Yes, it looks like a bunny rabbit. Papa, I ate
This-
an eye.
This one's mine. Do you guys want to try now to make one?
I want
Okay, so we're pushing aside the coconut. And now grab your nose carefully and put it right here. Good.
Well,
You can eat that piece of coconut since it fell off. All right, now we're gonna add 2 more holes for the eyes.
That's not
That looks
a lot.
good. And then we're going to,
Eat them. Put the
do you want to put the ear on?
I want to put. Papa, can I put one ear?
Okay, just gentle.
Marshmallow.
How cute is that cupcake?
I ate some coconut off it.
I know, the poor bunny says, I'm cold, ooh, help me. Okay, Lucky, do you want a bite? Take a big bite.
For dessert time?
Hmm.
Can I have a
Do you want a bite? Take a big bite. It's a big bite. How does that taste?
I have one more bite.
I guess it tastes good. Does that taste good?
It tastes so good.
Oh.
I want another bite.
Do you want to taste the ear? Do you want to take one more bite? Okay. Well, is it pretty delicious?
Yes, we ate a bite of it.
That's a delicious and fun project to do with the kids. It's definitely memorable for them. I hope you get a chance to make this recipe, and if you like my videos, check out my Easter playlist.